Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to get a free Subway promo code for discounts on your next sub. First, head over to easecoupon.co/subway or scan the QR code you see on the screen to access the site. Once there, enter your email address so that the Subway code is sent straight to your inbox. I'll go ahead and type in mine. Next, choose Apple or Android. I'm using Android, so I'll select that option and hit continue. The site will then start generating your Subway promo code. To complete, you'll need to verify yourself by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are safe and free from reputable sources. Once downloaded, open each app for about a minute. Some might prompt you to complete a quick task, but it's worth it since your Subway promo code will be ready for use once you're done. I'll fast-track this part with some music to show you the process. Done. Checking my inbox now, and there it is, my Subway promo code. If this helped, please subscribe for more great tips. Thanks, and enjoy your Subway.